Guys, what's up? I'm here and today I'm going to use script. So property script. So see here. So what is a properties? So the properties it's an information about a break I don't know object. Okay. See this object here. So basically, how to change like the color. So the scripting this so right here says break color equals break color new, and after we need like lime. Okay, so we need something. So if we say like no electric electric blue, electric blue. Okay, so okay, this that's okay. If you see what's happened, okay. Okay, see? It's change in the color what I do. Okay. How to change like the parts. So part the material equal. No, no. I don't know what's happened. Hey man, what's happened? Oh no, I wrong. Material e equals. Okay, so okay, and when it change like it will change like in neon, okay? Neon. That's it, guys. That's it. So if you put, if you like, on surprise, is so cool, right? Okay. Or like changing position. So we need here to learn an we need here to learn a function that names vector tree. That means the position like right or like this. The information of the position like properties the information of the object. Uh, the vector tree is like the information of the position. Okay. So see this position need to copy it. Control C. And after let's put the break more here, okay? And set the camera here, okay? Oh, so say, okay, wait, position, and we need to go to equals, yeah, equals vector tree new, and here we need to say, uh, okay, and we need to say what the position it is. And after we need to put here. Okay, so that's how. Okay, so if you run, surprise, it was here, now it's here. Okay, it it's a magic, right? Okay, now let's change like an I don't know. So so basic, okay? And yeah, you can use the functions because of a functions if of a moment function like I don't know a lot of things. So look, you can make an like look look make things like wait, brick color equals brick color dot new, and after we need like black nap and after wait two like 2 seconds, get and we repeat. So we we changing baby blue. So if you run, You need to look closely. Fear one and wait 2 seconds. Look, look, it's changed. And if you put and function, that's forever, okay? No, it's like wait. Yeah. So yeah, because it's not work because you need the another thing function. Okay, we'll this is a part of the properties, and if you want more, subscribe at my channel and give like and watch and bye bye.